Hello, it's Wednesday, November 15th, and it looks like it's going to rain today. It's 9 something in the morning, and the rain is supposed to come at around noon. The clouds in the sky can seem to confirm that. It's a wonderful day just to sit, drink some coffee, and watch the ocean. Everybody stay safe and dry because it's going to rain in Baja today. Oh, there was a little bit of lightning. I don't know if you saw it. Maybe we'll see a little bit more. You rarely see lightning in Baja. Oh, a little bit more lightning.